I'm making homemade lip balm. First, you have to take some of this lip balm base and put it in a bowl. Just any like microwavable glass bowls. And you use 1 tablespoon. Yeah, tablespoon. But if you want to make like a big batch, you can use more than that. And then you put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. For 30 seconds. And once that 30 seconds is over, you mix it up. And then after that, if you still need more time for it, you just do it for 10 more seconds. And same thing, if you need more time, another 10 seconds. Okay, so I've done my 30 seconds now. So now I'm gonna mix it up. Try not to make it go out of the glass. And you see how mine still needs more time. So I'm gonna put it in for another 10 seconds. 10 seconds. And then I'll wait. I warm this up for 50 seconds total. And and be careful, this is very, very hot. So now that I mixed it like all up and there's no big chunks in it, you can add wait. So I just did another batch before this, so this kind of has a smell to it already. I'm just gonna add like 1 more drop. And this is a cherry scent, so, and I like this scent. So yeah. And then like a couple drops, like 4 drops. And that's about it because I really just want to add like 1 right now. So then I use an end of like a plastic fork because of that part, but you can use whatever you want and get a small, tiny bit of like pigment, and it cannot be like liquid color because then it just won't work. So then I add it in like that. I do that to make sure all of it comes out, and I mix it up. And after I'm done mixing, and then I can see the color after I'm done mixing. That's it. So I want it to be a little bit more pink, so I'm gonna add like a little bit of more of this pink. So yeah, mix it up again. And then yeah, that's about the color that I want. And then I use this, and then I'm gonna use one of these, a lip balm tube. I'm gonna open it up. So now I'm gonna pour it in, and just so you know, I got all of this at Joann's Fabric. Wait, give me 1 second. My hands are shaky. Don't forget to like and subscribe.